You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Hello, artists! Are you ready to draw a number block? To begin, you'll need a piece of paper, a purple pen, a red pen, a pink pen, a blue pen, and a black pen. Today, we're going to draw Numberblock 6.
Let's roll!
Yes, and I hope you're going to help us, 6. Let's start by drawing your body, 6. It's got 6 blocks. We're going to draw you standing 2 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall. Let's get started drawing the first block. You'll need your black pen. Each block is a square, so there are 4 sides and they're all the same length. Let's draw one across, one down, back across, and then back up to where you started. 6 has 6 blocks, so we need to do this 5 more times.
Woohoo! 6 is the same as 3 lots of 2.
Brilliant! But we're not finished yet. We need to draw the arms and legs. We'll draw an arm like a squashed sausage on the left side. That's one arm. And the same on the other side. That's 2 arms. Now you need your legs, 6. One little sausage under the bottom left block makes 1 leg. And then another squashed sausage under the bottom right block makes 2 legs. Now we need to draw 6's face. We draw a little circle in the top left block, then a line across, and now a little semicircle on top of the line. And now the eyelashes. Start by drawing 1, 2, 3 little straight lines to make the eyelashes. And now a circle around the first circle. 1 eye. Now do the same for the other eye.
Cool!
2 eyes. Now we need to give 6 a lovely smile. A great big curved smile like this. And another little smiley shape inside to finish it off. Now we'll finish 6's body by drawing on her spots. 1 big round spot on each block, like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots.
Now it's time to do some colouring. Take your purple pen and your other colouring pens and colour in Numberblock 6.
Wow!
But I think there's something missing. Oh yes! 6 is numbering. Am I holding my pen the right way? 2 fingers and 1 thumb. That's the way that writing's done.
Start with a curve, round with a swish. That's the way to make a 6.
Thanks, 6. Start with a curve, round with a swish. That's the way to make a 6. And now with the left hand. Start with a curve, round with a swish. That's the way to make a 6. Yes, 6. Number 6 wants to roll her name. She grabs a dice to play the game. She rolls a 1. She rolls a 2. That's not her name. That will not do. She rolls a 3. She rolls a 4. That's not her name. She rolls once more. She rolls a 5. She rolls a 6. Yes, that's her name. This girl's got tricks.